Hi, today in front of me Asus ROG Phone 6D, and I'll show you how the fingerprint scanner does on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here fast, correct, and we just unlock the device successfully without any problems. But to unlock your device, you should hold for a while this fingerprint scanner. You just have no chance if you make it so fast like this. So hold it for a while and you'll unlock your device successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.